Okay, so I woke up here this morning, got dressed, got something to eat, got my cube ready. I think I'm a bit tired. Yeah. But anyway, just got sidetracked. Yeah, I'll be going soon. We'll drive for like 40 minutes, I think. And then we'll get to the tournament, I think. I'm not completely sure with everything. So, yeah. I'm just gonna be honest, I'm just really stressed. I just can't lie. Okay, so anyway, see you at the tournament. Okay, so we're on our way now. We have like 47 kilometers left. We've been driving here for a bit, 5 or 10 minutes. We have a backpack here. Oops. Here. And yeah, that's all I wanted to update you guys about. Okay, so we're almost there. There's only 350 meters left, approximately. And we're a bit early in. It's 8:50 now. The registration begins at 9 o'clock.
Your destination is ahead on the right.
And yeah, I'll just let you know when you get there. Oh, no, 200 meters. You can wait that. Actually, no. 75 meters. Okay, so we'll only be competing with 3x3? No. I'll be, yeah. The main reason. And I hope that next year I have a 2x2 speed cube so I can.
Which is on the right.
Okay, now the Navy says that we have a ride. Okay. That is where. Okay, I'll update you guys when we find it. Okay, we found it. Here's. Okay, so here. I'm in the waiting room. I think the 4x4 round's gonna be on, so the room is pretty much gonna be empty except for me, maybe a couple of others. Yeah, everybody has like 10 cubes on this little lonely cube. And I have to wait a bit. It's 9:54 now, and there's a lot of time left until the 3x3 round. I don't know what it is. So, yeah, I'll just let you know when I get to compete. Solve number 1. Let's go!
Mij ik had Shanksel op dat hij een van de eerste. Dat wordt altijd
Axel, table 7. Paolo, table 4. Jordik, table 3. Jander, table 10. Cyril, table 12.
The second and last recorded song. Go.
Yeah, table 7. 8. Benson, table 8. Benson? Yeah, I think table 7.
What have you done?
Ik heb het helemaal leren vergeten mee te draaien met cheaper, man.
Oh.
Nou, laat. Already from Minx, so I don't care. Yeah. I think
Yates, table 11.
Oh yeah, I got
Hallo, table 10.
last time was 28, so I got 8 seconds better.
Okay guys, that was pretty much it for today. Pretty much all I did today. And yeah. So I got an average out of the 5 solves that I did. I got 51 second. It's acceptable, I guess. I mean, I was hoping for like 45. No, not 45. That'd be kind of low. Like 47 or something on average. But no, a piece popped out once, so didn't really help me. Sorry, I have to go.